Okay, this is a scale drawing. We are given information that we have some points on the paper originally, and these are the positions of the town A, B, C. A, B, C. The A town is north of B town, and C town, town C, is west, exactly 90 degrees from B. So other informations are given on the angles where the other towns are forming. Angle B, C, D is 80 degrees. So using a protractor, we'll measure the angle 80 degrees. So align as much as possible, as accurate possible, to a marking at 80. Start from point C, draw a long line. Okay, so it could be anywhere on this line. And then we also given information that angle BAC is 110. So this is 90. This will not give us the angle of 110, so we will place the protractor this way instead. So we'll measure to 110. Then we'll draw the line across. Okay, so these two lines must cut. Okay, at point D. So we check again, this is 80 degrees. And this is 110 degrees. Okay, just excuse the drawing to the paragraph. So the exams, there will be enough space at the bottom. So this could be just a printing error. A mass M is erected equidistant from points towns A, B, C. Okay, let's talk about equidistance. There are two equidistance in construction. When you are equidistant from points, that means we are looking at the direct bisect of points BD. You're also looking at the direct bisect of points AB. And lastly, equidistance from AC, which is this point. So we need to construct perpendicular bisectors. So if for points equidistance, we are constructing perpendicular bisectors. Okay, in recent years, they do not mention that you are constructing perpendicular bisectors. You need to infer. For this question, they were nice enough to inform you that it's perpendicular bisector. So we need to join AC as well. Just to give you an illustration that I'm going to bisect AC. So all perpendicular bisectors require your compass. So remember, perpendicular bisector is just two big arcs stretching more than half of the length. So I'm going to do BC first. Keep your compass at the same width. Draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, same for the other side. More than half of AB. And lastly, AC. You will realize that already the first two perpendicular bisectors bisect at the same point. So the last perpendicular bisector will also bisect at the same time. So more like a verification, but not a requirement to draw 3 perpendicular bisectors. So I'll label this place M. This is for part 3, so I'll also label part 3. Sorry, for part 2. In part 3, the actual distance of AB is 48 kilometers. By measuring scale drawing, find its scale. So according to the ruler, our distance is 5.9. So for part 3, every 5.9 cm is 48 kilometers. So this is considered the map and this the actual. So always smaller one in front. We'll change this to kilometers to cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 1 kilometer is 100,000 cm. And we'll divide by 5.8. 5.9. Eight 13559.322. SF. So the scale is 1:814,000. In part 4, we need to find the actual distance from D to the mask. You can measure using the ruler or from the compass. So you also can make use of the compass from point D to point M. Then you go to your ruler. 8.3 cm. So MD is 8.3 cm on the map. So actual distance, question was in 48 kilometers previously, so I'll change to kilometers. So it's 8.3 times 814,000 divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000. $67.262, 67.3 kilometers. 3 significant figures. Now there's no right or wrong because the map scale has been rounded off. You may also use the more accurate value of 813.559. So if you use that value, you'll get 67.5.